Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the Windows 10 indexing is not running properly. So if it's not using the indexing servers and you're unable to run it, so trying to rebuild the index is probably a good place to start, and that's where we're going to begin. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu just by left clicking on it one time. Type in indexing options. Select the best match, which should say indexing options here. So left click on that. Now you want to left click on the advanced button right down here, where it says troubleshooting, delete and rebuild index. Left click on rebuild. This is rebuilding the index might take a long time to complete. Some views and search results might not be complete until rebuilding is finished. Left click on OK. So this will take some time, just be patient. Obviously, depending on how big your computer is, how many files are on here, it's going to definitely make an impact on how long this takes. However, this isn't too big of a machine, so it shouldn't take very long to do. Okay, once this is indexing complete, close out of here. Or just restart your computer and see if that's resolved the problem. If it is not, I would go ahead and open up the start menu again, type in services. Best match should come back with services, just left click on that one time. And now you want to go down to the Windows search service, so scroll down. Right here, double click on it. Set startup type to either automatic or automatic delete start, and then left click on OK. Again, which is just restarting your computer, and hopefully that should have resolved the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.